Welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you the level design which I built for this tutorial series. So here it is. You will get all these assets like trees, mushrooms, hazards, boxes, water into the folder, and the link of that folder is in the description. Go and download that folder and explore it. So this is what I built for this tutorial. Here is the end. This is the vertical moving platform and this is horizontal moving platform, and this is our enemy patrolling on this. Here I have added only one coin. Into the next video I will show you the coin score system and also how to add the multiple coins. Okay, so just build your own game. You can go to the Google and search for the level design. You will get different levels, and by combining them you can build your own. I am expecting much more better level than me. This is the simplest level as I can build. Okay, so one more thing is for duplicating the platforms here, just duplicate your previous one which you created. Make sure the layer is platform and box collider is applied to it with the auto tiling on. Okay, for the auto, this is only the one tile, only one square box. So for using it as a tile, click on it, change the mesh type to full red here, and then just drag into the hierarchy, and here it is. Here you will get the tiled option and you can change the width and height there. Okay. And next thing is to change the tag to the hazard, because we have added this tag to this hazard, and if the player collides to it, the player will dead. Okay, the same thing will be applied to this auto, and this one also the same thing. Make it tiled and you will get this one also. Also add the layer to it, tag to it, and box collider. Make sure to add the each trigger option. Check mark auto tiling and each trigger. Okay, for these boxes, just add the box collider and assign the layer platform to it. Otherwise it will jump multiple times on this one. And next thing, you can just place these moving platforms which we created wherever you want it. So this is one I want to show you. It is the spinning hazard actually. So we will see this into the next video, this end part and coin score system plus the spinning hazard. Okay, this is it for the today's video. Let's see what we can do into the next videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.